Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the plantation, Fuji House of Commotion. Creating practical solutions, a Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the plantation, a Fuji House of Commotion. Catering practical solutions, a Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the plantation.
Yeah? Hey, this account is not balancing at all. More money goes out than comes in. Children, they say, are a blessing. And I've invested in children yafu, but no dividend. You see your life? Mojo, America, no dividend. Musa, no dividend. Ismaila, Isiaka, Moji, Lola, Idowu, Kasali, all have refused to graduate. Oh, Taju, look at your life.
Chief, are you all right? Hey, Chief, is everything okay?
You this artificial yellow pawpaw. It is all of you that have conspired to suck me dry like giant tapeworms.
Oh boy.
I'm begging for all of you. Can I help you? What are you doing here? Or have you started burning things down again?
No, sir.
Are your teachers on strike?
No, sir.
So what are you doing at home?
We're on holidays, sir.
Holiday?
Yes, sir.
Holiday?
Yes, sir.
Isiaka.
Sir?
Is it not 1 month ago that you finished your long holiday?
Yes, sir.
So which holiday is this one?
Bami, they call it democracy holiday.
Democracy holiday?
Yes, sir.
Wetin concern you concern democracy? Are you politicians?
No, sir.
So why did they send you on holiday?
They say they want peaceful elections, sir.
Peaceful election?
Yes, sir.
Come, are you people planning to scatter things?
No, sir. No, sir.
So which kind crazy people send you on holiday because of election which does not concern you?
Bami, they say they don't want us to be recruited by politicians as thugs, sir. Yes, sir.
If they give you enough school work to do, how will you have time for political thuggery? Oh, so is it at home that they will not recruit you for political thuggery? Zaka?
Papa, they even sent letters.
Laila, they want you to stay at home till the end of the election. That is pen robbery. It is pen robbery because after taking school fees from me, they now send you back home for me to feed. 2 healthy boys.
Mommy, can my friend spend the democracy holiday with me?
Where are our parents?
They're on holiday abroad, sir. Hello. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Nice talking to you again. How do you do? Nice talking to you again.
Hey. Oilola, who did you say your friend was? Oh, man.
Hey. Good afternoon, Daddy.
Mommy. Good afternoon.
Go, my friend. What is that one on your head? Have you joined court? Remove it, my friend. If I see that thing on your head, either here or outside, I beg you for you.
Mommy.
Mommy.
Hey, boo, mommy.
I'm not the one in the kitchen.
Okay. Yeah.
Mommy.
My junior husband. Are you all back?
Yes.
You are welcome.
Anything for us?
I have some beef sauce with savory basmati rice.
Asthmatic rice? Rice they get asthma.
No, my dear, basmati. Basmati.
Oh, asthmatic rice. We had that right at home, you know. And guess what? It is delicious in the extremities.
Yes. You see, even in this house here, we also eat it. Kenny, not so.
Oh, of course. Asthmatic rice is our main diet.
Let me bring it here.
So bring the rice and the savory. Let us survive.
I'll bring it inside a big giant basin. You don't tell me
Kasali, which big basin? Use which basin, Kasali? Ireti, come here. Listen carefully. These children are on half chop. Half chop. I paid money for your food in school. So if you want food dose, go back to your school and eat. But if you are staying in this house, it is half chop. You hear me? Half chop, everybody.
Nwoke n'ife igbujekwe
I got you for you. Last
Now, wow.
I got to go clear now.
Sister Lord! Sis me! Oh boy, remove this thing. I think you give this one when you tie red and black. Don't start. Shall leave me. What's the color for you? Leave box, make me holla.
Kenny.
I beg, share now. See, the guy's room will be too crowded.
Correct person.
Bro, it's funny.
Wait, what? Where do you think you're going?
Bro, Steve. What's up, man? We are all senior boys here now.
You are senior boys.
I know.
So because you're in year 1, you're now a senior boy. You better go to the children's room now.
What? To the children's room? Me, I'm staying here with the big boys.
Big boy. You better go to the children's room.
Bros. You know I'm a big boy now.
Me too. About bros now.
You better go to the children's room and stake your claim before the battalion returns.
Oh. Big boys.
Big boys and senior boss. I beg you.
You have a plan here.
Can you imagine?
Well, I'll see what I think about it.
Can you imagine?
See across the table.
Correct person.
Treno Machacha.
Hello.
Anything right now? This basmati rice is ordinary rice and stew. CP said.
And we go. Talk of big makeup. 4 rice and stew.
No, you don't know anything. This is basmati rice. You know what? We have had it at home when cook boiled it.
Sorry, bros.
Basmati rice. That is what Mommy CP said. That is what it is.
Yeah.
Listen up.
If Papa catches you,
What will happen?
Yes. What will happen?
Civilized Ajabotas in this house. That's that.
give me cigar now.
Boy, you're on your own. No. Take.
Yeah, no.
Take. You're on your own. Hey, who likes that? Sorry.
Chineke. Is this cigar you are smoking one lady with your leg on top of the table? Hey, one lady.
And so
what?
we're adults now.
Yes.
Adult, Ipa.
Yes.
Adult. Hey. No. Chifu. Hey. Chifu. Come and see what your children they are doing. No, they are smoking cigar. Chifu. Your children are smoking. Come and see.
So, who is smoking in this house?
How about Papa? Who will dare do such a stupid thing like that?
So, where is it?
What about me?
So, where is it?
Tell them to open their mouth.
Mommy, peace.
All right, open your mouth. All of you, open your mouth.
Confirm me.
Chineke me. These children are armed robbers, so.
Mommy, peace.
But one lady you were smoking cigar.
Excuse me.
One lady was smoking, oh.
Peace. Peace.
Chief. Hey, Chief.
Are you sure you are not seeing double?
Chief, mind yourself, oh. Don't insult me in front of the children, oh.
Look, all right, you children, behave yourselves, oh. Any wahala, I will send you back to school. Holiday or no holiday, democracy or democracy, I don't care.
Take drugs. Last couple of points.
Oh shit! Your father is becoming something else.
Stop him.
Kasali, who do you think you're talking to?
But sister, how can she be rude to Papa after almost putting all of us inside trouble now?
Kasali. Shiloh. Oh, I teach you a bitter lesson.
Kasali.
Who this hopeless Jamagantis car to block me. Look, this is my house, oh, and I have warned all of you never to park in front, behind, beside, or near my car.
Oh, it's mine. I'll remove it immediately, but you don't need to shout.
What did she say?
Bami, she said she'll remove it immediately.
No. Did she say?
No, Bami, she said she owned the car.
No, the one she said last. Warn her. You people should warn her. This is my house, and I shout when I want. If she insults her father, she should not think I'm her father. Yeah? Who gave her a car, sir?
Bami, it's her father. Her father is a big contractor just like you, sir. Yes, sir.
Does he need a daughter just like you, so that I can dash you to him? Sure.
Your father is me. What? Do you people have any fun in his house? Lola, let's check out.
So where?
Anywhere, here and there.
Okay, guys. Bye. See you.
Let's follow you people now.
Oh, that's all right. The more the merrier.
Guys, stay at home. We'll be right back, alright? Just stay at home.
This is the water will not be for trouble.
Don't you guys have fun?
The more the merriment. Oh. So you people notice that why not? If she continues like this, she will blow our never cut out. But money cannot buy class job.
So Musa, he actually told Musa.
He's a nice.
Honestly, we called him Musa.
No.
Am I lying to Moke?
Musa, Hawaii. You have such a
I know.
They went to the wrong house.
When Papa came back, you know, say, Papa.
What did Papa say?
You don't stop there. The girl just called him, and the number answered. Hello.
I said, Chief Olama, see a coffee place.
What time you come?
Morning, mommy.
You riot or you ask?
Mommy. None of the above.
Our lecturers are on strike.
What's happened?
Gbogbo wa got the wahala
You know, it's a normal thing. Let us distribute.
all the wahala in school, strikes today, lecturers tomorrow, NASU, then elections now. So they only go ASU tomorrow after ASU. Now elections. They are doing elections now. They don't want the students to be in school. So they say we should all go home.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji House of Commotion. And everybody in commotion, yeah. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, oh confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion.